Lasunga Troy Polomalu. This is Theodora Polomalu. And to all the members and volunteers who have been a part of the Fasamoa initiative, it's my honor and privilege to welcome you to this meeting. It's been amazing to watch the Fasamoa initiative unfold over the last week, and certainly over the last few years also. You and your team are nothing short of an inspiration to our youth and to our community. And I want to express on behalf of all of our management and staff, our customers, our sincere thanks to you for all the work that you're doing for our community, for being an example to our young kids and also to us. You spoke earlier last week and you had a message, a call to action, not just for young people, but for parents and for organizations in the community to not only believe in the potential of our young people, but also to take responsibility and play an active role in the future that we want for our